What's happening, everyone? How's everybody doing? 24th of December 2025. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Yeah, what a year it's been, boys. We had about 3 months of the year that was shaky. 3 losing months, 1 month that was just about break even, and then the other 7 months were flyers. You know what I'm saying? The beginning of the year we were doing 3-4 month win streaks, 6-week win streaks. It was going off. I was really enjoying. Then the government shutdowns and all that came and fucked up the base a little bit. But the markets now come back and it started moving correctly in a way that we can predict and see quite clearly. So today we're gonna have a discussion about our favourite asset, gold, or my favourite asset anyway. Speaking back from last week, we did go long the week before from here into 4350 area, right? And then we did say we want price to run up again, back up into the 4350, which is where we went long into, and then we would short down. We didn't catch this though, but it was in the market breakdown. I was quite busy, it was my birthday, and all of that. Yeah, we see price failed to get back above resistance, multiple tests on it, boom, target was this short-term support, which was here, and price treated that very nicely, very smoothly. Since then, we've had some news which has caused some big ricochet, so we can see the price up here, all in a day, we go from 4.3 to 437, that's about 600 pips in one day, and then 600 pips back down, right? Very erratic behaviour there. Definitely a news announcement that came out, probably FOMC. Right, but this level of support again, holding on super strong, giving us real confidence in this level here. So here we go. Yeah, longs from here would have been sweet, all the way up back into resistance where the price breaks out. Pulls back then breaks out. So this is a nice move. Finally breaking out of this range that we were in. So you can see from this high, which was from the 12th of December, we finally broken out towards the 20th, 22nd. Yeah? Gold's then absolutely ripped with not much chance of an entry. Had this that happened on Tuesday, which was yesterday, which was very interesting here. Now, in regards to that, what else we can see is price has reclaimed this previous level of support that it did make at that new all-time high. We had another news-looking move here, but which has created something which is not very cool, in my opinion, which is the sort of head and shoulders here. So we could see something like that, or we could see a little dip below to push up to take out this high above here. Alright, so the key level for me is this low. There's 2 key levels, 4482 and 4476. Alright, this is a nice look at FVG that we've got sitting down here. Alright, so price goes and validates into that. I'll be and then closes back above here. I'll be very certain of that price is gonna push higher to take out 4527 and go into the 4540s, 4550s, which would make the most sense, right? Now, as you know, it's Christmas, so we might not have that volatility over the next coming days, and we might just stay in a range like this. Alright, we might just trade in between here up until like the 28th, where we might get a bit of volatility to push the market up. Unless we do have some news that comes out, I don't expect much volatility. So buying at the low, selling at the high of this range would be a very feasible trading strategy based on stop rates as well. So you want the price to take out this level, take out all those orders, and then close above, giving you that indication to push higher into the top side of the range. And then once you see price fail to break above, and you see price give you a couple taps like here or like here or like here, then you can then go short and take the price the opposite direction with confidence as well. Alright, so if we do break below and close below this range, alright, I would want a wick in a close, something similar to this. So you see a wick down, closed above. I'd want that. A close below is a very bad sign and would be a clear indication that we will be hitting up at this level here of 4450. Now 4450 is a very good level because it's a nice psychological level. Right, good round number. Market respects round numbers a lot. So you could go in there with 439 stop, and your target would definitely be 4528. Now that would be a good 8R trade if you do catch that. 8 times risk, 8 times whatever you've risked. So if you put down £40, you get what I'm saying, you're coming out with £320. You understand? Yeah? So a good risk reward on that trade there. Very high probability as well. It would be, if it does happen, it would complete the head and shoulders pattern as well, and also come back into test this level of untested liquidity after this sharp move up. So that would all align. But that's a bit optimistic. We could slowly trade into there over the next 2-3 days, and then go in there, or we could sharply be taken in there by a news announcement. As you've seen over the past couple of weeks, news announcements are causing very sharp moves, 300-400 pips plus, and they're quickly retracing as well. Right, so this area is a very key area for us, the 4450 level. Make sure you're watching that area. Make sure you're also watching the 4477 and the 4465. Right, so those are the main areas for gold. These are the trades that we would have if we do see this reclaim as well. Then we would get long there, and you would get a 3R if we don't get the 8R position. Right, so that's what I'm expecting for gold. If we do go bearish, I would be flipping on this level of 4475, 4477. I will be flipping that if that turns into a resistance level, showing that the price has broken out, and you just simply would go for 2R based on the size of this range here. So the size of the range, stop loss just above that range as well. You know what I'm saying? Give yourself some breathing room, and then you'd want to aim for 2R on a position like that, which will take you to take out these stops and push into these levels here, which is exactly adding up, making sense as well. If the price was to go low, it would definitely be going to look out for these stops as well. Right, now if it doesn't go for these stops, then we don't get a resistance attempt, and we just get smashed down, then this long will still be valid, but you would be able to get 1R out of that, you know what I mean? So on both ends of the market, we do have potential trades for this week, so we'll see how those all play out, and I will be keeping you guys updated. And also, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. If I don't get to speak to you guys individually, I'm wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'm wishing you all the best for 2026, that we all be together and absolutely smash it to the world and back. Alright my people, bless up. More content coming. I'm going to try and give you as much content as I can today. I'm going to record as much as I can without recording nonsense, so that you guys have enough stuff to keep you over the holidays. Alright, peace and love, Merry Christmas.